नमस्कार, गुड मॉर्निंग, हेलो, वेलकम टू मोम प्रिंट्स मोनेमोतो साड़ी पे आप सभी लोगों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत। मोम प्रिंट्स मोनेमोतो साड़ी, जो साड़ी आपको बनाए संपूर्ण नारी, वो साड़ी लेके मोम आई है आप लोगों के पास। मी देवश्री तिवारी and my channel name is the same. We are selling ethnic authentic sarees and today I am going to show you Katha and Lambani sarees which all are beautiful, which all are crafted completely handmade sarees on Tasar. The first saree I am going to show you. This is a silk saree, Tasar silk saree. उसके ऊपर काथा पे बना हुआ है काम. This is the entire look of the saree where you can see katha work is done like a painting. This is the overall look of the saree. This is the palla section of the saree and the whole saree is having work. There is none of the place where the work has been not done. This is the blouse piece of the saree where you can see the border. This is the blouse piece and the whole saree is having beautiful katha work. It's a Tasar silk saree. Tasar silk saree के ऊपर only painting जैसा होता है वो मोटिव से किया हुआ है काथा का काम. So this is the first saree of the day. If you like the saree, take a screenshot from this video and send it to our WhatsApp number, which number you all already by heart, 9831575641. This is the number and this is the GPay number as well. You can send your preference through WhatsApp to this number and we are offering online service for few days. Again, we will go back to online and offline services. Next saree I am moving to. Today's next saree is made with Lambani work. Lambani work has been done by tribes. Tribal जो लोग होता है उन्होंने ये काम किया है. Check out the work, how intricacy is there in this work. This is a cotton saree. This is not Tasar. This is a specially Andhra made cotton saree and which is having Lambani work all over the palla. It has a long palla and the whole saree is having Lambani border with buttas. This is a Lambani border. Excellent color of the saree and the buttas are also very beautiful. Let me show you the buttas are done in between and this is the work has been done on the saree. This saree is also very pretty, very beautiful, lovable, and if you want to take the saree, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number. The process is the same. Next saree I am moving to. Next saree of the day is done with composition. It is a Tasar silk saree, completely handmade. This is done by block print and katha. Beautifully done saree. ये सब साड़ी जो है एकदम ही डिजाइनर पीस है और हम लोग बनाते हैं ये साड़ी composition work है. What is composition work? Where you can see the mixed medium has been used. This is the Tasar silk saree where you can see that the block printed work has been done and in between you can see the katha work, you can see the French knot work and it has a little bit of sequences. यहाँ पे जो sequences लिख रहा है वो आपको party look देता है. It's a very ethnic saree but it is giving a beautiful party look. Wherever you are going, if you feel that you want to make yourself feel prestigious, थोड़ा हटके, थोड़ा different, then you can go for this kind of sarees. And the color is also very beautiful. It is still grey color. Of course, this saree is having beautiful feel and form. Let me show you the saree by threading so that you can understand the overall look of the saree. The blouse piece of the saree made with, of course, with different kind of combination. This is the blouse piece which is contrasting color. सब मिला के ये साड़ी भी आपको देगा एक अलग ही एथनिसिटी और अलग एक different look. So you can make yourself, you can feel yourself different than others. Next sari I am moving to. Next sari is another beautiful Kantha sari which has been done on Tasar. Look at the sari. It has been done by tie and dye and Kantha. Both the work has been done over here. See the combination. It has a flame, fire and flame combination with a subdued green color, moss green color. Adbhut সুন্দর শাড়িটা, it's so beautiful, so pretty. This is the beautiful blouse piece of the sari. Sorry, मैं उल्टा दिखा रही हूँ साड़ी को. Let me show you the palla section of the sari so that you can understand the look of the sari. This is the overall look of the sari where you can see the beautiful border and the whole area. And this is the beautiful long palla of the sari. Kantha work has been done and along with it block print has been done. So this is also a mixed medium sari and which is giving absolute different look to you. So look of the day banane ke liye you can use one sari each day. Like मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ आप ही सब कुछ खरीद लीजिए, but these sarees can make your day special and make you feel special. That kind of sarees I am showing you today. Next sari I am moving to, of course, this is also a Tasar sari which has lambani work. Last जो lambani work पे दिखाया था वो cotton में था and this is on pure Tasar. ये जो काम किया गया है बहुत ही differently किया गया है. This is the palla section of the sari, beautiful palla section of the sari, and this is the overall design of the sari. Beautiful sarees, this all are. एक से बढ़िया एक है, एक को भी आप नहीं बोल सकते हैं कि this saree is better than this. All sarees are having own beauty, own grace. So all are graceful sarees और ये सब handmade sarees है. मैं बिल्कुल दिखा देती हूँ आपको. ये सब हाथ से बना हुआ साड़ी है. So stitches पे अगर आपको दिखे कहीं पे छोटा बड़ा थोड़ा सा भी हुआ है, जान लीजिए ये हाथ से बना हुआ साड़ी है and एक हाथ से बना हुआ साड़ी है. One hand only. Generally, artisans they set together and they make sarees. 3 of them or 4 of them make together. But this saree has been done. All these sarees has been done by one artisan only. एक हाथ पे बना हुआ है ये काम. Let me show you the blouse piece of the saree which is having beautiful border. This is the area where you can see sleeve has been done with lambani work and you can use this portion as a back पे भी पूरा काम दिया हुआ है. बहुत अच्छा, बहुत smart piece है. If you like to go for it, don't forget to send a screenshot to 9831575641 to this number to ask the right price. I am always there to help you out and solve your problem. How you want to make your day by your makeup, by your accessory using, that also you can question. If you have any question, I can help you out. Last sari of the day, आज जितना भी साड़ी दिखाया सब साड़ी ही हाथ से बना हुआ साड़ी है, बिल्कुल handcrafted. This is another Tasar sari, beautifully done Tasar sari, tie and dye किया हुआ है, उसके ऊपर किया है पेंटिंग का काम और उसके ऊपर किया है कांथा का काम. This is the beautiful upper area of the sari. This is a Mikla pattern sari where the top part of the sari comes like this way. See the work, the intricacy of work, and this is the down portion of the sari. This is a cloudy color. The sari is having cloudy color with terracotta blouse. This is a terracotta blouse. You can see, and the whole sari is having beautiful work. Let me drape for you so that you can understand after wearing how the sari looks like. The sari looks like as you are wearing a mikla. This is the look of the sari where you can see the top portion is with terracotta and color and with cloud blue color, and the down portion is completely cloud blue color with the work has been done down portion of the sari. So this is the saris of the day. If you like any one of this, two of this, or if you are liking all the saris, let us know. I will let you the price, and you can go for the procedure. It's a GPay, bank transfer or QR code payment, and share your screenshot of payment and your address. The product will reach to your address soon along with the track detail. Namaskar, have a good day. Bye bye. देखते रहिए channel Debashri Tiwari, where I am showing beautiful sarees almost every day for you all.